Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we are going to be cleaning out, limbing up, trimming up, pretty much everything. We're going to be getting rid of anything that's not supposed to be here, any low-hanging limbs. We're going to limb up. We're going to thin out some of this cane tall, we're going to go all the way to the ground with all the beds in the pool area, clean all this, get rid of the weeds, get all of everything edged. We're gonna have everything with a nice defined look. The first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna start blowing, just getting some debris out of our way so we can really see what we're doing and how we can work. So we got the front cleaned up. Still got to trim a little bit off the top, and I'm going to limb up a couple more of these branches. Eventually, we're going to put a dry creek bed through here. So what I'm going to do is, just leave it and tuck the pine straw back. If you see right there, I want to go up just a little bit higher. I like making I call it a visual window. When you limb up your property and then push down how everything, it just makes that nice visual window. Looks excellent. They have cleaned up, blown out as much of this as possible. As you can see, we're gonna take this burnt spot where the pressure washers came in and left some stuff. We're gonna make like a little nice bed. That way when he comes out here, he's got something really nice to look at. Thinning out the bamboo. All the big bamboo we're leaving full grown, but see all these small ones? We're gonna go ahead and cut those down to the bottom, open this up, and put some fresh pine straw over here. All right, let's get this courtyard looking good. Clean out all these old flower beds with all the pine straw on it. Got them ready to put some new pine straw. We're trimming all this overgrown back. Still gotta go over there. We're gonna limb up everything, get everything just ready to go into the summer. All right, this is a wrap right here on the front. Couldn't even see the front yard. We limbed it up, pushed it down, put some fresh pine straw all the way to the front. Japanese yews, leveled them down. There's some crepe myrtles leaning this way. If you guys remember this, right here was an absolute jungle. Just opened up this front yard and this entrance. Let's go check out the back. We weeded it all the way down, threw some pine straw there for them. And then over here, we cut it all down. We thinned out all the thin bamboo and then put a bunch of pine straw out here. Made this courtyard look good. We took an already beautiful pool area and just gave a little color, got everything trimmed back, got that off, top bricks, fresh pine straw. This was all dirty. Put some edges around that. All right, folks, I hope y'all enjoyed that one.